Hi everyone, my name's Megan and I've got Anna here with me today, and we are going to be talking about the EverEscents styling range today and how much we recommend you to use. We hope you all learned something from this today, and please stay tuned. All right, let's start with our first product, which is the EverEscents Leave-In Moisture. With this one, if you have short hair, we recommend probably starting with one pump, depending on the amount of hair that you have. You can always add more if you need to. And then probably like hair my length, you'd probably go in with more 2 pumps. And then if it's really long, start with 2 pumps of it, see how you go, and you can add more if you need it. Always start by popping it into like your mid-lengths and ends, and then you can just gently dust the top as well at the end.
How much do you think that I should use in my hair? It's quite
Have a look.
it's quite a lot of it.
Oh, it is quite thick, isn't it?
Yeah.
So I'd probably start with 2 to 3 pumps.
Okay.
Start by popping it through those mid-lengths and ends, dust it through the top, and then just work it through and see how that feels. And you can always add some more if you need to. But that's a good start, I reckon. So the next one that we're going to do is the Universal Styling Cream. This one is one of my favorites in the range. This one is half moisture and half hold, so it covers a wide range of people that it would suit. Great for if you're just wanting to do like a blow dry or leave your hair in its natural waves or curls. It's really good because it's not going to make your hair feel sticky or heavy, but it's going to give it that bit of hold just to help with that longevity of your style and helping it last, basically.
Okay. So I'm on my way to discovering my natural texture and trying to bring out some waves that I have in there.
Yeah.
How would I use the Universal Styling Cream to bring those waves out a little bit more, and how much do you think that I should use?
Yeah, excellent. So what you do is after you've washed your hair, towel dried it, then you can go in with probably in your hair, I'd say maybe start with 1 pump.
Okay.
And see how that goes.
Yep.
And then you can always add some more if you need to. And then you can style and just leave it to dry in its natural texture.
Okay. And can this one be used, would it be better used on wet hair or dry hair?
This one I'd probably recommend on wet hair.
Okay.
Would be the best.
Yeah, before you dry it.
Before drying. Yeah, absolutely. So our next one we're going to talk about is the Heat Protector Finishing Cream. So this one has a couple of uses, which is really cool about it. You can go in first after you've washed your hair and use it as a heat protector, so popping it in while it's wet. But then after you have styled your hair, you can also use it as a finishing cream.
I am maybe struggling a little bit with this one, and I think maybe I might be using it wrong.
Okay.
I find that when I put it in my hair, it can get a little bit heavy and maybe a little bit sticky.
Okay.
Do you think that maybe I'm using too much, or maybe I'm doing it in the wrong step, in the wrong order?
Yeah, it could be. When you're using it, start like a little bit of the heat protector goes a really long way, hence why it's in a little bottle. So it's a tiny amount of this one. So it could just be that you're using a little bit too much, and that can sometimes make it feel a little bit heavy.
Yeah.
Particularly on your finer hair type.
Right.
I actually mix it with my leave-in moisturizer.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right.
So I'm popping my leave-in moisturizer in my hand first, and then I just do like 1 little pump of the heat protector, work them together, and then same thing, work it through those mid-lengths and ends.
Right. And yeah, I think maybe I'm using a little too much because I'm wanting to use the heat protector. Yeah. I'm wanting to protect my hair, and I feel like I need more, but maybe that's a good tip to put it in with the leave-in moisture.
It just helps to work it through your hair and get it through a little bit further. And yeah, like I have quite fine hair myself, and I absolutely love how it feels in there, and I've never had it feel sticky.
Yeah.
I myself, though, with the fine hair, wouldn't ever pop it in it while it was dry.
Right. Okay. So only when wet.
Yeah. I mean, have a bit of a play with it. Everyone's a bit different, but I find on my hair type, it is just that little bit too heavy to pop on when it's
to use it as a finish.
Yeah, but putting it in wet and then drying it and styling it. Yeah, it's beautiful.
Okay. Cool. Yeah. That's great. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about any of the products or techniques we used in this video, drop us a comment below or reach out to us on social media, give us a call. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our EverEscents YouTube channel, and we'll see you later. Bye.
Bye.